To view a unit in full screen, click on the button with the two arrows. To exit the full screen view, click on the same button or press Escape on your keyboard. At the beginning of each unit, you'll find an overview of the language functions and grammar taught in that unit. To move on to the next page in a unit, click on the Next button or on the Play button. To go back to the previous page, click on the button with the back arrow icon. To move to any part of the unit, go to the menu on the right-hand side and choose the page you want to visit. To decrease or increase the volume, move the slider to the left or to the right. You can listen to new words and phrases by simply clicking on them. Macawain.
Ininawain.
Tá macawain agam. To slow down the recording, click on the 1x button and choose the top option, 0.75. Macawain.
Tá bert ininacha agam.
This is a useful feature when you're learning a new word or phrase. Many of the units in the course contain a vocabulary list. Learn how to pronounce the words in these lists and only memorise the words that are important to you.
Ahir. An tahir. Ahiricha.
Mahard. An wahard. Mahircha. Each unit contains two conversations that show the words and phrases taught in that unit in context. To listen to the whole conversation, click on the heading of the conversation page.
An bhfuil páistí agad?
Tá beirt agam, mac agus inín.
Agus cén ís atá siad?
Or you can click on individual lines to listen to them.
An bhfuil páistí agad?
Tá beirt agam, mac agus inín.
Agus cén ís atá siad?
The Your Turn exercise gives you an opportunity to practice the language contained in the conversations. Try giving the Irish version of each line preceded by the word say, and then click on that line to reveal the Irish version.
An bhfuil páistí agad?
Tá beirt agam, mac agus inín.
The unit review contains the most useful language taught in each unit. Try saying each word or sentence and then click on that word or sentence to check if your pronunciation was correct. Tá mé pósta.
Níl me posta.
Tá mé coscartha. At the end of every unit, there is a quiz to enable you to practice what you've learnt in that unit. Exercise types in the quiz include drag and drop, matching, and fill the blanks. On completing an individual exercise or all the exercises, click on the Submit All button to get feedback about the quiz. On the results page, you're given your total score and told whether or not you passed the quiz. You can review the quiz, get a detailed report about how you fared in it, or retry the exercises. You can also go back to the unit by clicking on the button with the back arrow icon, or you can jump to anywhere in the unit by using the menu on the right-hand side of the page.